Hello?
Yeah, what's your name, sir?
Armando Garza.
Armando Garza.
Are you logged on twice?
But es que I have my computer, pero es que if let me log out from the computer from work.
No, no, that's fine.
No,
That's fine.
no,
That's
that's fine.
fine.
Just-
Don't touch anything.
Yeah, just stay there.
Okay.
Miss Villanueva, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge.
All right, good morning, Miss Villanueva.
Good morning.
Court will resume here with the November 30th, 2022 docket. I believe your client is Armando Garza, CR 22-09533D, who is being charged with a Class A misdemeanor DWI. His potential penalty is up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And how do you plead, sir? Not guilty?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Villanueva, is it going to be not guilty?
It's going to be not guilty, Judge.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea. Now, do you know if he's got the interlock device?
I believe he doesn't have, does he have
I'll
it?
ask.
Yes, I have the interlock device on my vehicle. Yes, I do have it.
Okay,
Yes.
what is the name of the vendor or the company name, sir?
I don't have it with me, sir. It's in my truck.
Anything in your phone that you have in there? Any email or anything?
Let me see if I can.
Okay, go ahead and get it, and we'll wait a little while. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You have pretrial data? Okay. We're gonna quickly do this one here. All right. Good morning, Mr. Sepulveda.
Morning, Judge.
Yes, sir. Your client is Isabel de la Rosa, right, sir?
That's correct, Judge.
All right. CR 22-09956D. DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And what's the plea today? Not guilty?
That's correct, Judge.
All right.
Judge,
Mr.
he
Del-
doesn't have a mobile, Judge. He
I'm
doesn't
sorry?
have a mobile. He does not.
does?
have-
He does not.
He does not have the mobile nor the interlock device.
No, sir, Judge, he doesn't have a vehicle, Judge.
All right, we're gonna have to give him what date? December 14. 11 a.m. for status.
He doesn't have a vehicle, then he gets the mobile.
Right, he'll get the mobile if it's not the vehicle. So hopefully by then he'll get it. Okay, sir.
That's fine, Judge.
All right. So please no alcohol consumption, Mr. De La Rosa, while the case is pending. Okay, sir. All right. You both may be excused. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hey, Judge, who does he contact, Judge, for the mobile device, Judge? Who does he contact, Judge, for the mobile device? So he can do it right now.
It'll be
Jessica, can you give him have your client give us an email? Eloy?
Mobile phone.
you have an email, Mr. De La Rosa?
He doesn't have an email, Judge.
Okay,
That's
a
why
phone
we're here,
number.
Judge.
How about a phone number?
Judge, it's 923-0100.
Okay.
What's the area code?
Area code 956.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you get it, Jessica?
Yes, I did. I got it.
All right, we'll give him a phone call.
Jessica will give him a call.
All right, thank you, sir. You're excused. Thank you. All right, who are we gonna get next?
Over here, Mr. Garza. Did he get the name of the vendor?
Oh, Mr. Garza, yes, sir. Welcome back. Let's see. That would be what number was there again? Number two. Number two. Yes, sir, Mr. Garza. Can you hear me?
Yes, I have the place. It's a lifesaver injection interlock.
Okay.
Hackberry.
Okay.
It's 1353 East Hackberry Avenue in McAllen, Texas.
All right. All right.
I
Pretrial
had it
data.
since- I think I had it since June.
Okay. Miss Villanueva,
Yes, Judge.
pretrial date, February the 2nd.
Second.
Where's it?
2 p.m.
February the 2nd, 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, PT. If you work something out earlier, please let the court know. We'll bump it up. Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. In the meantime, Mr. Garza, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Thank you so very much. I appreciate it. Have a nice day.
All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Maybe
I
somebody
don't know
else.
who Rick has in the courtroom.
Okay, Rick, do you have anybody in the courtroom?
Judge, I have attorney Roberto Puente
Okay,
on
Is
number.
his client there with him?
The client is not here. I believe she should have been logging in. The defendant did make contact with the court this morning,
Yes.
but I don't know if she's logged in.
Yeah, she's logged on.
okay. Roberto Puente, we have number? Oh, yeah, number 10. Ernestina de la Cruz. Ernestina de la Cruz.
She's connecting right here. Okay.
All right, you need to unmute Miss de la Cruz. All right, can you hear me, Miss de la Cruz?
Sí, sí lo oigo.
All right,
yes,
buenos
yes, I
días.
do.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Levante su mano derecha, señora.
You swear the testimony you're about to
Usted
give
jura que el
would be the
testimonio
truth,
que
the
va a
whole
dar es
truth,
la
and
verdad,
nothing but the truth?
solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Verdadero.
Okay, you may
Yes,
put your hand down.
puede
ma'am.
bajar su mano.
Your case, CR 2210-060D, Ernestina de la Cruz, DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Señora de la Cruz, en el caso de usted, CR 22-10060D, el estado de Texas contra Ernestina de la Cruz, la acusan de andar manejando en el estado de ebriedad. Es una clase A. Este es su segundo DWI. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta del juez es, ¿usted comprende eso sí o no?
Sí,
And
Yes.
how do you plead, ma'am? Guilty, not
¿Y
guilty?
cómo se declara? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
culpable.
She meant to say not guilty, Your Honor.
All right, and you are Mr. Robert Puente, right, sir, attorney?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, for the record.
Señora de la Cruz, ¿usted tiene el aparato o el móvil?
Sí, tengo el aparato, el que se
Ok,
usa con el teléfono.
Ok, ¿con qué compañía lo tiene, por favor?
Ay, no me acuerdo, pero
¿No tiene
Si
por
me
ahí un
permite.
recibo?
Un recibo o algo, porque la corte tiene que saber con qué compañía lo tiene.
Court will enter a not guilty plea here on CR 2210-060D, Ernestina de la Cruz. All right.
es el backtrack, es el
Judge, I have it. She has it with safety check.
Okay.
Está bien, señora de la Cruz, lo
Ok.
tiene con safety check. Es importante que mientras este caso esté pendiente, usted no esté tomando ni manejando. Cumpla
bueno.
con las pruebas de ese aparato. Usted va a regresar el día 2 de febrero del 2023 a las 2 de la tarde. Por favor, esté en contacto con su abogado. Si su abogado y usted arreglan algo con el fiscal antes de esta fecha, entonces su abogado nos da a saber y esta fecha se va a cambiar a un día más adelantado.
Bueno.
¿Ok?
Court will hereby set it for pretrial February the 2nd, 2023, 2 p.m. If you need us to bump it up, let us know. Okay, Mr. Puente?
Yes, Your Honor. Excuse me.
All right. Your excuse. Have a good day, sir. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Gracias.
Gracias,
Ok.
se puede retirar, señor. Pase buen día.
Gracias. Igualmente.
All right. Rick, anybody else in the courtroom?
Yes, Judge. Attorney Carlos Galvan is here on number 11, and the client should be logged on.
Carlos Galvin, number 11. Carlos Galvin, that'll be Amanda.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Amanda Hernández.
Amanda Hernandez, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's see if we can get her in. She doesn't need interpreting?
No, Your Honor.
All right. She needs to unmute.
You just tell her name. She knows what you're talking about.
Ms. Hernandez, you need to unmute. You need to unmute.
Oh, there.
All right, there you go. All right, don't touch anything else now. CR 2210-231D, Amanda Hernandez, DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And you understand that, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes.
Okay, today, how do you plead, ma'am? Not guilty?
Your Honor, we plead not
Yes.
guilty.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea. Ma'am, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle or the mobile?
No, I have the portable one, but yeah, I have the portable one.
You have the portable. Under what name is the vendor, the company?
American Audio, I think.
All right. Jessica then brings a bell.
Let me check, Judge. No, do you have a contact name or where are they at?
Where are they located, ma'am?
They're located in Westlaco on Texas Boulevard.
Anybody that you talked to there?
I don't know their names. I just went in there and whoever was there takes care of it.
Okay.
Is it Safeguard? Carlos,
No.
Rosie?
Is it current? Is she complaint?
Okay.
Did I?
Is it active?
Lifesaver? American
No.
Interlocks?
No, it's called the location's called American Audio. I don't know if they're like, because you go there and you pick up the device there and stuff.
Maybe Smart Start?
No.
I don't have no that on my list, Judge. I can call her later to double
We need to know
More
right now either because
information.
it depends on that.
Yeah.
Does she have an email or something, receipt or something from them?
You don't have a receipt from them, Ms. Hernandez?
No, I do not, sir.
in Toxalock. Toxalock.
In Taxalot?
Yes, it's in Toxalock.
Okay.
American Audio is in Toxalock.
All right, give me a pre-trial date. That'll be February the 2nd, 2023, 2 p.m. That'll be the PT pre-trial date. If you work something out, Mr. Galvan, please let the court know. We'll bump it up. Okay, sir?
Will do, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. In the meantime, Ms. Hernandez, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Thank you all. You may be excused. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Number one, Adan Guerrero and Ms. Patty Wynn.
All right, Miss Love. Let me see here. Is it just one case? Some of them have two. No, it's number 1 and 3 yet.
Yes.
1 and 3, right?
They're gonna
Your
be.
Honor, did you just call me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm here for Adan Guerrero, Your Honor, and he's present ready for a plea.
For a plea
Yes.
on both cases?
On the,
DWI?
on 2209-536 is the one I have.
It'll be plea to one, dismiss the other.
Okay, it'll be a plea. Okay, I got it. I got it already. Can you hear me? Let's see. Adan needs to unmute. There you go.
I can hear you.
All right. Good morning. Please raise your
Good
right
morning.
hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may put your hand down. CR 2209-536D, Adan Guerrero. Your charge here, DWI Class A misdemeanor. That carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand that you're entitled to a
Yes, I
jury
understand.
trial. You're entitled to a jury trial. You're entitled to an appeal. Did you waive those two rights?
Yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation when you give your plea?
Yes.
And what is your plea? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right, state.
Honor, state offers plea documents and offense reports to States Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal, States Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosures as States Exhibit 3, and waiver of risk and needs assessment as States Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. State would further request defense counsel stipulate to the fact that all evidence which has been e-filed is sufficient to corroborate today's plea of guilty.
No objection and so stipulated.
Without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged in CR 2209-536D. Recommendation, state.
In CR 2209-536D, the state recommends a $500 fine, court costs, 1 year Hidalgo County Jail, probated over 16 months, a mobile alcohol monitoring device for 8 months, an alcohol course, Mothers Against Drunk Driving Impact Panel, 180 days Texas driver's license suspension, 30 community service hours, and open restitution to the victim, elegance, shutter, and blinds. And in CR 2209486D, the state will move to dismiss pursuant to the plea in CR 2209536D.
And that's our understanding of the agreement, Your Honor. We are asking the court to consider the 180 Texas driver's license suspension to run concurrent with any suspension that you may have already had.
Right, they don't run concurrent with any administrative suspension that is out there. First of all, the date, December 14th, 11 a.m. for restitution. December 14th, 11 a.m. We'll see if there's any restitution out there. And court will hereby waive the community hours.
Thank you.
All right. Did you hear that, Mr. Guerrero?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and that'll be the judgment as read by the state. And then furthermore, court will grant state's motion to dismiss in CR 2209486D, State versus Adan Guerrero. This case is hereby dismissed. That the understanding, Ms. Love?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck with your probation out there. Stay safe, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, we have Jerry Palacios' office,
Give me the number.
number 13,
Number 13.
Gerardo Reina,
Number 13.
right here.
Okay. Can you hear me, Mr. Palacios?
I'm gonna, sorry, Judge, let me get one of the attorneys that's gonna cover for Mr. Palacios. He's out.
All
to-
right. All right, give me a good attorney.
I will, I'll make sure. One moment.
Good one.
Judge,
Yes.
Attorney Rudy Moreno's in the courtroom. He can
Okay.
cover for Mr. Palacios.
Okay, I see him already. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
And the clients are going to be
Yeah, we just need a video for Mr.
Gerardo Reina.
He's here.
Okay. Gerardo Reina, and we better let's get Mr. Moreno. All right, Mr. Moreno.
What are your honor?
Morning. I'm sorry, what number is it again?
Number 13.
Number 13. All right, I see here, Mr. Reina. Okay. Mr. Moreno, yes, sir. Good morning, sir. You're going to be in for Mr. Terry Palacios.
Please, Judge.
And the first one I have here is Gerardo Reina. And he's there on the screen. CR 2210505D, State versus Gerardo Reina. Charges DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And what is the plea, sir? Not guilty?
Not guilty, Your Honor. Asking for a pretrial date.
All right. All right. Mr. Reina, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle or the mobile device on you?
I do.
Okay. What's the vendor's name or the company?
Smart Lock.
Smart lock, okay.
Did Smart Start?
Smart Start, yes, I'm sorry. Smart
All
Start.
right, there you go. Pretrial date for this gentleman is going to be February the 2nd, 2023, February the 2nd, 2 p.m. It'll be 2/2/23, 2 p.m. Pretrial. If you need us to bump it up, Mr. Moreno, we'll let the court know. We'll do it. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. We also have number 4 and 5.
Okay, very good.
No drinking.
In the meantime, Mr. Reyna, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
All right, thank you. Thank
All
you.
right, you take it easy. We'll see you. Bye-bye. All right. Mr. William McCarthy?
Yeah, he needs to put on the video.
All right, Mr. McCarthy. I think there's two cases, right?
Yes, Your Honor. On that case, Judge PT's application has been submitted already.
Yeah, on that case, I think it's gonna be a unlawfully carrying a weapon and DWI, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so again, Mr. Moreno here for,
If Mr. Palacios, Mr. Moreno can submit
what?
because Alfredo Morales was appointed, so we need a motion to substitute. But
Yes,
it's
Your
gonna be
Honor.
Mr. Palacios, whoever's gonna be the
Okay,
attorney.
all right, Mr. McCarthy, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, sir. You have two cases. CR 2209-546D, William Bernard McCarthy, Class A misdemeanor DWI. CR 2209-547D, William McCarthy, Class A misdemeanor unlawfully carrying a weapon. Both cases are Class A misdemeanors. Now, each case carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And how do you plead, sir? Not guilty today?
Not guilty.
All right, court will enter a not guilty here for each case. And because of the DWI Class A misdemeanor, do you happen to have the interlock device or the mobile device with you?
Mobile device.
Mobile device, okay. Under what company name or what vendor?
Just a moment.
But this was Safeguard. I've already checked into that one.
You already checked out? Okay, we got it. Okay.
Safeguard.
Then pretrial date of February the 2nd. Again, Mr. Moreno, 2/2/23,
Yes, Your Honor.
2 p.m., okay?
Yes, Judge.
Pretrial. In the meantime, Mr. McCarthy, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir? All right, you stay safe and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Honor.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Moreno is here for Terry, but he's early because
okay.
Oscar Molina is for 11 o'clock, not 10 o'clock.
All right.
Oscar is already in the way.
It's just that Mr. Moreno is always early, in case you didn't know. And what was it again? Which one? Molina?
Yes.
All right. Molina is set for 11 o'clock, but once again, I think we have him already.
Mr. Molina, if you can put on video.
All right, there's Mr. Molina right there. Now he needs to unmute. I believe it's two cases, right, Mr. Moreno?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Molina needs to unmute.
There
There you go. All right, there you go. Let's see here. Okay, CR 2211-231D, CR 2211-232D, both of them, State of Texas versus Oscar Molina. The first one, Class A misdemeanor. The second one, Class A misdemeanor. The first one being DWI, and the second one, unlawfully carrying a weapon. Now, each case carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. For each case, how do you plead your day, sir? Not guilty?
Yes, Your Honor. He's not guilty this time, Your Honor.
All right, court will enter a not guilty here for each case. And do you happen to have the interlock device or the mobile device with you?
Me? No.
Yes. Not on your vehicle and not on you? You don't have the mobile?
No, ma'am. No, sir.
Okay, because it's a DWI Class A misdemeanor, it's mandatory that you do have either one, either or. So we're gonna reset the case for December 14, 11 a.m. for status hearing or compliance, where hopefully we're gonna hear that you do have one or the other. You will be getting an order through your attorney so that you can go get one of the devices. So 12/14, 11 a.m. for status.
We need Mr. Molina's phone number.
Okay, Mr. Molina, your phone number?
956
Okay.
533 7310.
What were the first numbers?
533
533.
310. Okay.
So he needs to get either the mobile or the
Or the
interlock before the 14th.
right. Okay, so in the meantime, Mr. Molina, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Okay,
All right, stay safe. We'll see you later then.
right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Mr. Rudy Moreno has number 8, Juan Carlos Campos.
Number 8,
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Moreno. All right. CR 2209-890D, Juan Carlos Campos.
Oh, Judge, he will need
No.
services from the interpreter, Your Honor.
Okay, now Mr. Campos needs to unmute.
Juan, necesitas oprimir al sonido. No tiene sonido.
On mute.
Ah,
Okay,
ok, ahí
Oh,
está.
there-
I'm
there you
sorry, I'm
go.
sorry, my bad.
¿Hablas inglés?
Yes, a little bit. I understand
Okay.
everything.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Nomás contestas en inglés, por favor.
All right, Mr. Moreno. I'll remember that one. All right, CR 2209-890D, Juan Carlos Campos, your charge, DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And what is the plea today? Not guilty?
Enter not
No,
guilty.
All right, court will enter not guilty. Mr. Moreno, I'm sorry, Mr. Campos, not Moreno, Mr. Campos. Do you happen to have the interlock device with you or the mobile device with you on your vehicle?
yes, I do have one in my
Okay.
my car.
Okay, well, under what is the name of the company? Under what name did you get it? Under,
Lightsaber, I believe. Lightsaber.
okay, all right. All right, now, pre-trial date again, Mr. Moreno, it'll be 2/2/23 at 2. It'll be February the 2nd at 2 p.m. for pre-trial. In the meantime, Mr. Campos, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
I'm sorry again.
Please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay?
Okay.
All right, do you understand that?
No ande tomando
Mm.
y manejando. Mientras este caso esté pendiente, por favor.
Okay, sir.
No, ya no, en verdad, ya no lo hago.
Okay,
I don't need it
okay.
anymore.
Good job, Juan.
All right, stay safe, okay? We'll
Thank
see
you,
you
Your
then.
Have
Thank
you,
you.
Judge?
Yes, sir, you're excused. Thank you, bye.
He does.
I don't know if Rick has anyone in the courtroom.
Rick, anybody else in the courtroom?
Judge, yes, I have Mr. Oscar Rene Flores on last case on the docket. Number 20, I believe.
I'm sorry, can I leave?
Yes, sir, you
That's
can
like
leave.
the
Yes, yes, you're excused, Mr. Campos.
Thank you.
Last on the docket, but first in your heart, Judge.
I'm sorry, we have Mr. I'm sorry, which one? The
Number
last
20.
Last one on the docket.
It'll be Jessica and Vasquez.
If Mr. Flores can submit a motion to substitute, because originally I believe Jonathan Almanza was.
Motion to substitute is what we need here.
I will file it.
Okay.
Take it back to the office.
Okay, very well. Let me just get Miss Vasquez here. There she is. She needs to unmute.
Sorry, good morning.
All right, good morning, ma'am. Your case, CR 2211-049D, Jessica Ann Vasquez, Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. And knowing that, man, today, how do you plead? Not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And let me ask you, ma'am, do you have the interlock device with you in your vehicle or the mobile device?
I don't have a device. I don't have a vehicle.
Okay, not even the mobile?
No,
Portable?
no.
All right. All right. It's mandatory that you have it now. We're gonna set your case for 12 what? 12:14 either, was it?
Yes,
12:14,
for status.
11 a.m. for status. And hopefully we'll get the news there that you already have either or device. So 11 a.m., 12:14 for compliance hearing or status.
We need a phone number so
And
probation
your-
officer can contact.
And your phone number, ma'am, so the probation officer can contact you?
Area code 956
Okay.
532-7898.
7898.
She'll be calling her and giving
Did
her
you
a
get
number.
that, Miss Jessica Ramirez?
Yes. Oh,
Yes, Judge, I got it.
I'm sorry. Okay, I was asking the other Jessica. Okay, very well. All right. In the meantime, ma'am, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, ma'am?
okay.
All right, stay safe. We'll see you all. See you,
Thank you.
Mr. Flores.
Yes, sir. Take care. Have a good
Thanks,
day.
sir. Bye-bye, you too.
The gentleman, Fredo Gonzalez,
Uh-huh.
number 18, he does not have an attorney, so I don't know if he hired someone.
Okay, let me talk to him. Alfredo Gonzalez. Okay. Oh, by the way, Rick, anybody else in the courtroom?
Yes, Judge, I have attorney Samuel Reyes on defendant Ramon Sotuyo Jr., number 12 on my docket.
Okay, and I don't see Sotuyo.
I've been informed that the defendant is currently in federal custody, Judge.
Okay, let me talk. All right, let me talk to Mr. Reyes there. What's the number again, Rick?
Yes, number 12 on my docket, Judge.
Okay,
Ramon
mine
Sotuyo
too.
Jr.
Yeah, mine too. It'll be CR 2210 440D Ramon Sotuyo Jr. Yes, sir, Mr. Reyes.
Your Honor, Samuel Reyes for the defendant, Ramon Sotuyo, Judge. I have been informed that he is in federal custody. He informs me that on December the 7th, that he will go to federal court and receive time served. So that's stated to me, Judge, but he is in federal custody in La Villa at this time, Your Honor.
We'll do a nice on this. Okay, right now we'll do a nice eye, okay, sir? On CR 2210 440D Ramon Sotuyo Jr. Thank you for that announcement. Your excuse. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day, Judge.
You too. Bye-bye. All right, let's go back to Alfredo Gonzalez.
Doesn't have any audio.
No audio. Okay. Maybe. What else you gonna get?
David Diaz.
Well, let me ask Rick again. Anybody there, Rick, in the courtroom?
Judge, I have a defendant by the name of Martin Alvarez III, number 14 on my docket.
The attorney have not responded to him.
Number 14, Martin Alvarez, attorney Frank Garza.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Can you hear me, Mr. Alvarez?
Yes, sir.
All right, your case, CR 2210 563D, Martin Alvarez. Your attorney that I have here on paper is Francisco Garza. Have you ever met him?
No, sir.
You never seen Francisco Garza?
No, sir.
Okay. What are you going to hear?
Can I appoint somebody else?
Rick,
Judge, yes, sir.
go ahead and appoint somebody else.
Okay, Judge.
Then does he have the interlock?
Okay. Well, Mr. Garza, I'm sorry, Mr. Alvarez, your charge is DWI Class A misdemeanor. It is mandatory that you have the interlock device or the mobile device portable. Do you have either one of those?
No, sir.
You don't?
No, sir.
Okay, we need to send your case to December 14, 11 a.m. December 14, 11 a.m. so that we can, it'll be a compliance hearing, so that we can allow you to get the interlock device or the portable. Could we have your phone number?
956
Uh-huh.
732
All right.
0210.
0210?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it, Miss Jessica Ramirez?
She's gonna be calling him. So.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, the probation officer will be calling you to talk to you about this matter, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, in the meantime, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Okay.
But for right now, on the record, we'll just put not guilty on you here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're gonna be getting a call from the probation officer. We'll see you here December the 14th, 11 a.m. All right,
He must have the interlock for the mobile by then.
right. Well, Jessica will.
We have David, that's number 17. Attorney is on vacation.
Okay, wait a minute. Give me number 17.
Number 17.
Number 17. Okay. All right, Mr. Diaz, you need to unmute.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right, sir. Good morning. On your case, CR 22-107-52D, David Diaz. First of all, your attorney is Lilian Gutierrez, right?
Yes, sir.
I understand she's not around or something. She's got a vacation or something.
Yeah, she's out of town. I was able to speak to her, but she's out of town. Correct.
Okay, so in your case, DWI Class A misdemeanor carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days, and I'm sorry, up to a year in jail, and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. For right now, we're just going to play it safe and enter a not guilty plea here for you. Later on, we can rearrange you if your attorney wishes to. But let me ask you: do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle or your portable with you?
No, I was never. No, sir.
No, you don't have your. Okay, not even the portable, right?
No.
Okay, we need your phone number: 956
340 9372.
9372. 30.
Yes.
Did I hear 304? Right?
340. I'm sorry.
340. I'm sorry. 340. I'm sorry. That's what you said. Yeah.
Correct.
340. 340 9372. All right.
Correct.
We're gonna set your case for 12/14, December 14, 11 a.m. For compliance hearing. or
12/14,
status.
11 a.m. Okay.
Yes, 12/14, 11 a.m. Right. Hopefully at that time we'll get a report that you do already have the interlock device or the mobile, because it is mandatory. Your charge is a DWI Class A misdemeanor. So you'll be getting a phone call from the probation officer giving you some instructions. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Will do.
All right.
Thank
Please,
you.
no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. All right, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye.
This gentleman, Enrique Ventura, is Sergio Munoz.
Where is he?
Sergio has
I
not-
can press the leave button, right?
Yes,
Yes.
I press the leave button. Thank you.
yes.
Thank you. William. You remember? You're so
6 and
rough.
7.
6 and 7? All right, 6 and 7. That'll be Enrique Ventura. Enrique Ventura. 6, 7. Who's the attorney? Sergio Munoz. Anybody heard from Mr. Munoz?
No, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Ventura, if you can unmute.
All right, there you go. Good morning. Can you hear me, Mr. Ventura?
Buenos días, señor juez.
Buenos días. ¿Me puede escuchar?
Sí, claro que sí, señor juez.
Yes, of course, Your Honor. Señor Ventura, ¿su abogado es Sergio Muñoz?
Sí, señor.
Okay.
¿Ha hablado con él?
No he podido hablar con él, nomás con la secretaria y pues será un secretario que tiene, no sé.
I haven't been able to speak with him, only with either an assistant, a male or a female.
Okay. Very well. So he hasn't shown up or anything, right?
No.
All right. Okay, Mr. Ventura, your charge here is a DWI and accident involving damage to a vehicle. You have two charges. Class A misdemeanor is DWI CR 2209-568D. On that one, we're going to enter a not guilty plea. We can rearrange you later if your attorney wishes. And on the second one, CR 2209-569D, Enrique Ventura, accident involving damage to a vehicle, Class B misdemeanor. Also not guilty for right now.
Señor Ventura, usted tiene dos casos. El primero es andar manejando en el estado de ebriedad, que es una clase A, y el segundo es accidente que causó daños. Ahorita el juez va a tomar una de que se declare usted no culpable para que usted hable con su abogado y a ver si puede llegar a un acuerdo. ¿Usted tiene un juez le ha ordenado el aparato o el móvil?
No, oiga, no se ha movido, porque no tengo la licencia, me la suspendieron.
Ok, si no tiene licencia, entonces la corte le va a ordenar el móvil. Ese es un aparato que va a traer con usted, o el portable que va a traer con usted. Es mandatorio por ley, porque este es el segundo, o no sé qué tantos DWIs usted ya tiene. So, la corte le va a ordenar de que usted tiene que cumplir con ese aparato. Usted tiene que regresar el día 14 de diciembre a las 2 de la tarde, a las 11 de la mañana. Y la corte quiere ver de que usted ya tiene ese aparato antes de esta fecha.
Ok.
Deme un teléfono para que el oficial se comunique con usted y le pueda dar esa orden donde usted tiene que ir a que le pongan el aparato o que le den el aparato.
Está bien.
Deme un teléfono.
Es 956
956
215-5109. Enrique Ventura.
215-5109. 956-215-5109. Enrique Ventura.
All right. In the meantime, Mr. Ventura, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Ahorita por el momento, señor Ventura, es muy importante de que mientras este caso esté pendiente, usted no ande tomando y mucho menos manejando.
No,
ahora
no
con
manejo
este aparato
ninguna
no puede estar tomando. Es importante de que cumpla.
Sí, claro que sí.
Hable,
Si no
hable a la
manejaba
oficina de
tampoco.
su abogado y déles la fecha esta, de que usted tiene que regresar el 14 de diciembre a las 11 de la mañana.
The 12/14/22/11 a.m. hearing is for compliance. On that date, we can also rearrange defendant again, okay? We'll reserve that.
Okay.
All right,
Gracias,
thank you.
señor Ventura.
Gracias.
Dígame.
Okay, who else are you gonna get?
Es Rocky Rico.
What? Rocky Rico.
Number 19, Richard Gonzalez. I don't know if Richard Gonzalez is called the office.
Has Richard Gonzalez called the office? Anybody?
No, sir, he has not.
Okay. Number 19.
He's not in. Okay, there.
Okay, Rico. I'm sorry. Is it
Rockley, sir.
Is it Rockley, right?
Yes, sir.
Rockley Von Rico. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see here. Your attorney is Richard Gonzalez. Have you had any contact with him?
With the receptionist, sir, earlier today.
Okay, because he hasn't shown up. However, your charge is DWI Class A misdemeanor in CR 2210 880D. Right now, for the record, we'll do a not guilty plea on you, and we will reserve the right to rearrange whenever your attorney wishes to do so. But do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle or the portable?
Yes, sir. I have it, and I've had a lot of problems with it.
With the portable or the interlock device?
The one for the truck.
Okay. Ms. Ramirez, I'm going to ask the probation officer.
What
Yes, sir.
company does he have it with?
Yeah. Well, first of all, under what company do you have it?
Smart Start.
Okay, I'm going to put Smart Start here. Ms. Ramirez, you haven't had any?
Judge, I'm not getting reports on him. I believe it probably was an order from the municipal court, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
So I'll
we
look
give
into it, Judge.
Give me a phone. We need a phone number.
Okay, Rockley, we need a number. 956?
587-8565, sir.
8565, 587-8565. You're going to be getting a call from Ms. Ramirez, the probation officer, to give you instructions regarding your equipment, okay?
And he needs to appear on the 14th.
Okay, now we're going to reset the case for 12/14, 11 a.m. 12/14, 11 a.m. That's going to be for a compliance hearing, so that we can make sure that you do have the device. And we can also probably do an arraignment there if we need to, okay?
Yeah, like the device in the truck. I had the device in the truck.
Okay,
That's what
talk to
that's
the
what you're
probation
talking
officer about that and tell her about the problems you're having, okay?
All right, yes, sir.
All right, in the meantime, not a guilty plea here, not guilty. And please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
All right, yes, sir.
All right, stay safe. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we have Mr. Rolando Cantu, number 15 and 16,
Okay.
Jose Manuel Chavez.
Okay.
Mr. Chavez needs to unmute.
All right, let's see
There we
here. Mr. Rolando Cantu, good morning, sir.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Your client is Jose Manuel Chavez, right, sir?
Correct.
All right, he's got two cases. First of all, CR 2210 635D, accident involving damage to a vehicle, Class B misdemeanor. CR 2210 636D, Jose Manuel Chavez, Class A misdemeanor, DWI. All right, on the DWI, the potential penalty can be up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. On the Class B, the potential penalty can be up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. For both cases, I decline plea not guilty.
Can you please not guilty, Your Honor?
All right, there'll be not guilty plea for each case. And Mr. Chavez, do you happen to have the interlock device with you, sir, or the portable or the device on your vehicle?
Portable, Your Honor.
Portable, okay. Under what name? What is the vendor's name? The company?
Right now, sir, I don't know it off the top of my head. It's oh my God.
Do you have anything on your phone? A receipt or something, or?
My phone's in it's in the classroom, sir. I'm in California. My phone's in the classroom. I left everything in the classroom.
Okay. Do we give the phone number? Do we give?
Yeah, he has two older cases. I don't know what the charges are. He's got two other cases pending, these two new ones.
Okay.
Rachel, what are the other two? I don't know if they're DWIs.
And what does it mean? We have other dates already?
But if he already had a DWI pending, he picked up another one. Rachel, what are Mr. Chavez's two other cases?
Judge, this
CR 21 11 773-D
That is a Class A DWI set for August the 30th at 9 for pretrial. And the other one is CR 21-124, I'm sorry, 12346-D, also a Class A DWI. And also set for August the 30th at 9 for pretrial.
Oh,
There's a
okay.
third, there's a
I
third.
don't have reports, Judge. on
Judge,
him.
they're all three DWI seconds, Judge.
All right, so, and presently he's got an Didonite device. What was it again?
Is Jessica getting reports?
No, I'm not getting reports. So it might have been something through municipal court and I never was informed.
Okay. And right now, Mr. Chavez is out of town?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm in California, attending a course to become a wind turbine technician.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
So you gotta be careful because with so much DWI, you're gonna fall off one of those turbines.
Sir, I've I have Your Honor, I have not made the best mistakes in my life, but I'm at that point where it's like I have to straighten up my act, or otherwise my kids are not gonna have a father to grow up around, Your Honor.
Okay, so now.
When is he coming back?
Yeah, when are you coming back?
I graduate December 23rd. I fly back December 24th, Your Honor.
All right, so what do you want to do? A pre-trial date for all of them put together?
Yeah, but he needs to get with Jessica because she's not getting reports.
Okay. What's your phone number, Mr. Chavez?
It's a 956
Uh-huh.
5534 3332, Your Honor.
956-534-3332.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
It's we need to do the December 14th, and by then she needs to have
Okay,
reporting.
it'll be at 12/14, 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Also Zoom. We need to have the status hearing to see what's going on with the interlock device. All right, you're gonna be getting a phone call from Jessica Ramirez, the probation officer, giving you instructions. But we're gonna set the case for 12/14, 11 a.m. status hearing or compliance hearing. Okay.
Good to go, Your Honor.
The main thing here, Mr. Chavez, is please no alcohol consumption while all these cases are pending. So, and especially if you're getting trained for that kind of a job, that's a dangerous thing, you know. So, we'll see you here December the 14th, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
11 a.m.
11 a.m., Your Honor.
We have to be in compliance.
All right. Right. And whatever mobile device you're gonna get, whatever, you need to be in compliance, because if you're not in compliance, it'll be a revocation and you're gonna go to jail.
He hasn't. He's not testing.
Okay. Well, we're gonna find out on the 12th to see what report Jessica gives me. On 12/14, 11 a.m. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, for the record, is it, he said he has a mobile device or the interlock?
Mobile.
Mobile? Okay. All right, Jessica's gonna give me a report here on the 12/14 to see what's going on here. Okay, Miss Jessica?
Yes, Judge. I'll get
All right.
the reports and see how it's going.
All right. Again, please no alcohol consumption while this case is pending, okay, Mr. Chavez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're excused. Thank you. All right,
Have a good day, Your Honor.
you're excused, Mr. Cantu. Have a good day.
Who recast in the court?
Judge, do you guys have an 11 o'clock docket?
Yes.
Okay, just making sure. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Rick, anybody in the courtroom?
Not for the 10 o'clock docket, Judge, only for the 11 o'clock docket. I have Ms. Paloma Barreiro for the 11 o'clock docket.
Okay, we wait till 11.
Is there a client there? Is the client there, Rick?
The client will be appearing via Zoom.
All right, then we're gonna wait till 11 o'clock. What else we got? Do we have to call in cases here?
Jessica, does this gentleman have an interlock?
I'm not getting anything. No.
On CR 22-108-09, Alfredo Gonzalez.
Right, and also I checked my system and my emails, and we're not getting anything. So I'm not sure if he does or not.
Okay. Anybody have his phone number or anything? Because he cannot hear, but
There's nothing we can do. It's his end. I don't know if maybe he has audio off. I don't know what kind of device he's using.
Mhm.
It's not us.
Okay.
Because we all have audio. We all hear. It's him.
Can you tell him to call the office if you put the number on the piece of paper?
Rick, can you send him a message?
Yes, ma'am. Let me type him a message right now.
Thank you.
How's Rick gonna send a message?
Cruz.
Hello, yes, good morning.
Good morning. Can you call your attorney because you are set for the 11 o'clock docket and we have a different Zoom information?
Okay,
Okay? Because I'm
Okay,
gonna
then-
disconnect. Yeah, because you're on the 10 o'clock docket.
11 o'clock, huh?
And,
No, right now it's
and
the
you're
10.
and you're set for 11. So it's a different Zoom information.
Okay,
Okay, make sure you call him so he can give you that information and log back on.
okay, thank you.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Judge,
Yes.
I have Mr. Gonzalez on the phone and he can't get his phone. He can't get the speaker or the microphone. But he does not have the interlock. I have him here on the phone if you wanna, Mr. Gonzalez,
Well.
can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear.
Take off your cap, Mr. Gonzalez.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez.
Mr.
Can you hear me,
Gonzalez,
Mr.
take off your cap.
Mr. Gonzalez,
Hello?
remove your cap.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, remove your cap. There you go. Now I can see you. How many DWIs do you have, Mr. Gonzalez?
Can you repeat that? I didn't catch it.
How many DWIs do you have?
I have one charged and two, I think, two pending.
Do you have the interlock device with you or the mobile or anything?
No, I don't. The other one I reported and I kept on reporting and we went through COVID and the judge just told me that since I have been reporting, that he wasn't gonna force me to put it.
Okay, we're gonna order the interlock device or the mobile, whichever one. We're gonna set your case for, what is it, 1214?
Yes.
What number is it?
Judge,
Number 18.
The only thing on the mobile is that my phone doesn't work at work. I don't get no internet, no connection at all.
Your Honor, for the record, this defendant does have a DWI pending from 2018, as well as this DWI second. So the state would respectfully request that he obtain a mobile device, Judge.
Mobile.
It'll be mobile?
I can't really hear you. I'm gonna go outside, see if I can get a better connection.
Okay, it'll be the mobile device. Jessica, do you have a phone number for him?
No, Judge, I'm not getting anything on him.
Okay, we need a phone number.
Rachel has it.
Yeah, Rachel, you have the phone number, right, Rachel?
The thing is that on my job, they have cell phone blockers, so I can't have it at work, and I'm not permitted to have my phone at work.
He can work out a schedule. It's mandatory.
Okay, you're gonna have to have it not somewhere or another, so you're gonna have to work out your schedule or something. But you're gonna be talking to Jessica Ramirez, the probation officer. She's gonna give you instructions. We'll set it for 1214.
He needs to have it at 14.
Yeah, 1214-23 is this compliance hearing. And you're gonna have to have something by then. Rachel, what's the phone number?
It's area code 956 534 1074.
534.
Let me
Yes.
grab
Hold on, Mr.
pen.
Gonzalez, hold on.
534 1074.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right.
Judge, also, this, he doesn't have an attorney on this case, Judge.
On the other case, he has attorney Rick Palacios, and I don't know if the gentleman is going to hire Rick Palacios on this one. If he already hired Rick Palacios, he doesn't qualify for a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. Mr. Gonzalez, do you have an attorney right now?
No, I do not have an attorney. I was gonna hire one. The reason, when I got the court letter, I've been working so I could get some money. It was a little bit of leeway, and I didn't get home till like the 23rd for the Thanksgiving vacation, and I've been calling, and I guess everybody was on vacation. Nobody would answer.
Well, he needs to come back with an attorney on the 14th.
Okay, so on 12/14, December 14, you need to come back with or without an attorney so you can get a report on the interlock device or the mobile device, okay?
12/14.
Yeah, 12/14, 11 a.m.
Failure to comply will result in warrants.
All right?
At that court.
11, yes.
Yes,
11 a.m.
11 a.m. It'll be Zoom.
11.
All right. Okay, now you gotta show up, because if you don't show up, it'll be an arrest warrant, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, you're gonna be getting a phone call from Jessica Ramirez, the probation officer, and she's gonna give you some instructions. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. All righty. You stay safe. We'll see you. Who's next?
Rick.
Yes,
Rick,
ma'am.
is that Richard Gonzalez?
Yes, it is.
Okay, his client already appeared. We already gave him a reset, 10 o'clock docket.
You have that reset date? I did not get that date.
Yes, that was December 14th for compliance. He does not have the interlock.
11 a.m.
And that was on Rockley, Rico. Is that the same one?
Yes, that's him.
I'll make
sure to get him the device this week.
All right. Okay, Rich. December
Thank you, Judge.
14th.
At
Thank you.
11, thank you.
11. Thank you.
That's it for the 10 o'clock.